Good morning, KCI. For reading today, we are going to read a story, and something that readers do to connect with the characters and learn a little bit more about them is we really look carefully at the illustrations or pictures to see if the character is making any facial expressions or if they're doing any gestures. Maybe they're waving, maybe they're clapping their hands, and this will help us figure out how the character might be feeling, and that will give us more internal characteristics to describe the character. So I'm going to read to you, there's a bear on my chair, and already I am looking really closely at the picture, and it looks like the bear is so happy, he's waving hello, he has a smile on his face, but the mouse does not look very happy that the bear is on his chair. He has a frown, he's pointing at the bear. So I have a feeling this might be about a mouse who's very upset that a bear is sitting on his chair. Let's see what happens. There's a bear on my chair. Oh, and it's the exact same picture like the cover. The mouse looks very unhappy. He has a frown. He's pointing to the bear, and the bear is very happy to be sitting on this chair. He is so big, it's hard to share. There isn't any room to spare. We do not make a happy pair. A mouse and a bear with just one chair. And look really closely. I see the mouse trying to push the bear off the chair. I can tell that the mouse is very unhappy that this bear is on his chair. When I give him a nasty glare, he seems completely unaware. I don't know what he's doing there, that bear who's sitting on my chair. Look at the bear. He's just reading the newspaper, having a great time, very content, very happy. And then you see the mouse glaring at him with a nasty little face, very upset. I must admit, he has some flair. He has fine taste in leisure wear. I'm fond of how he does his hair, but still I wish he was not there. So I can see the bear kind of checking himself out in the mirror. He thinks he is looking really great. And then you have the mouse, and I can tell he has a frown on his face, and he's looking down at his clothes, like he's kind of upset that those are his clothes, and he's a little jealous of all of the clothes that the bear gets to wear. I'll try to tempt him with a pear to lure him from my favorite chair. But he just goes on sitting there. Why won't he go back to his lair? Free pear. So look, he's kind of saying, hey bear, look, do you want this pear? To try and get him off the chair. But it seems like, oh, the bear, once again, is so comfortable. Looks like he's taking a snooze. He's taking a nap. His eyes are closed. Maybe I'll give him a scare. I'll jump out in my underwear. But no, of course he does not care. That stinky bear sat on my chair. So look at the face the mouse is making now. He's jumping out of the box in his underwear, screaming at him. And the bear is not even paying attention. He's looking right at his phone. I don't know if this bear is moving off of the mouse's chair. I understand that bears are rare. I know they need the utmost care. I know all that. I'm aware, but still I cannot stand this bear. The mouse, very unhappy, not pleased at all. And the bear, oh, now he looks like he's drinking some tea. Oh. I don't know. I think the mouse looks a little sad now. Maybe he's given up. I can see he's looking with his head down. He has a frown on. And now the bear is resting his paw on his head, or his head on his paw. I wonder how he's feeling. Maybe he's a little bored. That's it. I'm done. I do declare this bear has led me to despair. It's not fair. It's not fair. I'm going now. I don't know where. So now the mouse is jumping up and down, screaming. His eyes are closed. He's very upset. And the bear looks still very happy to be on this chair. Look, the bear is walking off of the chair. Very slowly, but there's no mouse to be seen. Hey! There's a mouse in my house. Huh. Well, look how the tables have turned. Now the bear looks very surprised to see the mouse laying in his bed, and the mouse looks now very happy, very content, and he is so comfortable that he's sleeping. The end. So now I wonder if this story were to continue, if it would be about the bear being upset that the mouse is laying in his bed. So today, my friends, while you read, I want you to keep track of all of the characters' facial expressions, how they're looking, what they're doing in the pictures to help us have a better idea of how the characters may be feeling. All right, happy reading, friends.